We are in the fantastic neighborhood of Delray. We're our own little community. We do our own thing. And all of our homes back up to this one strip, which we call Main Street. I was told to come down here one day, and everybody goes, "We're naming this Pat Miller Neighborhood Square." And I kind of went, wow, that's cool.
It really is about community. Art on the Avenue, the Delray Halloween Parade, all the activities here, and Pat Miller has been right in the thick of it.
I've been involved in the community for a long time, and I think that's why they called this Pat Miller Square. But it's really served as a central location for us, for all of our events and the farmers markets here, and this has become the square.
Delray is pretty much about dogs and children, and so this is the dog mural.
I don't think there's a restaurant or a retail store here that doesn't allow dogs, and it's really part of our community.
I'm painting portraits of dogs of Delray. I've worked on Christmas windows with the Delray Business Association, so they asked me if I could maybe do this, so I wanted to. It was a pretty good idea.
We started out, I was afraid we couldn't get 100.
There's 172 dogs on this wall right here. That's a lot. It doesn't look like 172, but it's packed.
The one thing we asked everybody was to give some kind of a financial donation to the Alexandria Animal Welfare League, and we've raised over $1,000 for that, and we gave one free spot to the league for them to auction off, and that raised over $3,000.
So there's a very big connection between the people here and the dogs and the mural. It was rather fulfilling. People, enjoy it.
Today, the little neighborhood that could, as some are fond of calling it, is home to the mayor and the sheriff of Alexandria.
But Delray has a secret history. It was once the capital of gambling in Northern Virginia.
Many years ago, before we were annexed to the city, there was a racetrack that went right through here. And it was a horse track, and we used to have people from all over the area come do their betting and stuff like that, and then they would get back on the train and leave.
In the 1890s, gambling had overtaken Northern Virginia, making it a haven for drinkers, gamblers, and criminals. St. Asaph's was one of the most successful racetracks, bringing in thousands of dollars on race days.
By 1905, progressive leaders had closed St. Asaph's, and soon after, the town of Potomac was formed.
Well, unfortunately for the town of Potomac, it happened to be right next to some of the most valuable property in the region, Potomac Yard.
The town was annexed by Alexandria in 1930 and eventually swallowed up into what is now Delray. But glimpses of the town's influence are still visible. A fire station in Delray still bears the name Potomac Fire Department.